Good evening, everybody. Just thought I'd give you got some work done on it tonight. I'll flip around and we'll show you what we got done and where we're at so far. So, as you can see here, a couple airbags out and the seat belt out. And up here, bumper off, getting ready. See if I'm gonna try and get the body guy to try and fix this bumper or just get a new one. I priced it out. It's not too crazy price to get it done. Need a new upper support for the bumper because it's all mangled. Not a big deal. So that's off, ready to go. The engine mount bracket down there that's cracked is off. I'm got somebody welding it up just so I can move the car around for now, and then we'll get a new one at some point. Let's see if I can squeeze around here, grab the light so we can see what's going on a little better inside. Oh, my light's dead, so that's not gonna work. Whatever. Still gotta get a mirror cap. We got all of Buddy's stereo wiring pulled out and his line output converter. So we'll come back over here. Whoop. And anyways, so we got replacement airbag in the seat. I just got to get an upholstery guy to stitch her back up. Should be okay. There's new seat belt in, so it actually retracts. The new airbags in, no issues there. What else did we do? I think that's about it really for today. So yeah, it's a quick update for today about how far we got. Just a matter of getting some parts ordered and to finish getting her all fixed up. I've been using this for some Ford diagnostic in the past, so it worked out, came in handy today working on this using a software called Scan. It's almost like dealer level software for scanning and programming and whatnot on Fords and that group of cars. So verified all my repairs to the airbags and whatnot, so I know that's all good and not gonna have any issues, because when the airbag goes off, a lot of times it melts the connector, so I had to replace connectors for the steering wheel bag. So just verify that's all good and got no other codes other than the crash data, which I have to get reset. We'll talk about that in a later video. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, leave a comment if you have any questions or tips or tricks for me working on doing these rebuilds on this thing or anything like that. And yeah, again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.